Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you a day trade that I've taken a position in ticker BILI. So this stock right here has been pretty hot today, and if you look right here, it actually hit a high of $14.25. And if we are able to break past that $14.25 on the 5-minute chart, that is acting like a current resistance. Well, we just broke it, so let's see what happens. It should spike up over here, and hold on one second. So 1430, current new high. So as you can see, I took a position of 1,000 shares. Average price $14.13. And I'm going to watch this for another moment. So at 1430, it's acting like a resistance, and I want it to break past that upper Bollinger Band. Now, just because I want it to break past that, does it have to? Absolutely not. You know, you don't control any of, these stocks. I don't care how much money you have in it, you don't control it. There's so many other people in these. So, sorry, I'm just kind of having, delaying a little bit. I'm just watching this closely. Okay, so anyways, just because I hope that it goes to that, does it have to? Absolutely not. As you can see, it's meeting that resistance at that upper band right here, and it may not even break past that. So I'm gonna watch it another second on this 5-minute candlestick right here, and kind of play it off of how this candlestick is working for me. If it's still showing signs of it being bullish, I'll stay in it for a little while longer. But if it starts, to go bearish on me, I'm just gonna have to lock in the profits I have. Hopefully, I don't pass up too many or too much of my profit if that happens. So it's testing 1430 again, and let's see if we can break past that. So on the level 2s right now, and I know you can't see it on my charts, I like to just record this section because it actually makes it to where you can see a lot more when you actually view this, from your phone. And a lot of people actually watch these videos on their mobile device. So level 2 right now has 6,300 on the ask at $14.33, and on the bid it only has 300. So that is acting like a strong resistance right there, and I probably should have sold. Hold on one more second. See, come on. Alright, so went ahead and just locked in those profits, made $140. That's still a great day trade. My luck is probably going to just shoot on past that, but whatever. That's the name of the game. You never know what's going to happen. You can only work with what you have in that moment, and that's what I did. Again, I got in at $14.13 and wrote it up, made a profit of $140 for that trade. So I appreciate you. Oh, well, hold on a second. I'm sorry. July 14th, I am dropping my free stock trading course on this channel. So if you support the whole free education, and it's not going to be crap education, trust me. If you support, learning for free, and you support really my efforts and to just try to help people not to get screwed over by buying some of these courses from these scammers. Now, not all of them are scammers, but a lot of them are. Let's just be honest here. Don't be a silent supporter. And what I mean by that is, show some support. This will help people out, and this is why I'm doing this. I make my money day trading. There's no need for me to make money off of memberships. I mean, could I if I wanted to? Yeah, I know I could, but I'm not trying to turn this into a big company. I enjoy trading, and honestly, I don't want thousands of people to own me. I mean, I don't care how much money I'd make off it. I'd rather be able to make the money on my own trading and then help people out for free than to have a ton of people own me. As you can see, if I would have waited, that thing really ripped up, but whatever. But so anyways, yeah, please, what I mean by that, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up on the videos you like. Check out that free course, and it's actually going to have 2 different playlists in it, so for 2 different styles. Now, some of the videos will be the same videos, but that's because a lot of stuff in trading is the same. So find which style that you like, which works for you, and watch it from beginning to end, and it will help somebody out. So please subscribe, please give me some thumbs up, and share some of these videos. Again, my name is James Mason. I appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos, and I will see you in the next one.